In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with Facebook. You say, "Ah, bro, how can you make money with Facebook? Why is that possible? What do you mean? What does that supposed to mean? Facebook? How?" Yeah, the people that make money with Facebook, not YouTube, not only YouTube, not only Instagram. I mean, people that make money with Facebook, bro. S- If you don't know, you know today. So, you know what I'm saying. People make money with Facebook. Facebook pay them as YouTube pay them for the monetization, the advert or whatever. Then you can also make money with what I was playing. Another way I was playing in the video, if you can stay to the end, you can close your windows and everywhere. Goes on me. Just stay to the end. Just a short video. So if you cannot stay for this length, that means your brain is destroyed by TikTok. Don't know what to tell you. So just you're finished. Your brain is fried already. But if you can stay to the end, you're a legend. You'll make money this year. Yeah. And if you stay to the end and do what I tell you to do at the end of the video, you're good to go, bro. You're just good to go. This year you get the sky is the limit, bro. So listen to me. The way you can make money with Facebook is Facebook groups. Facebook groups, for example, how to make money online, gift cards, you can promote your maybe your CPA offers. I just explained to you guys in my previous videos. You can promote things with CPA offers too, because that's the easiest way. You just don't need to make somebody buy anything. You don't need to make somebody you have to convince somebody to do anything physical or whatever. You just need to put his email and you get paid certain amount. I've explained to you zillions of times, but I will explain because it's my purpose to explain you guys. So that's it. Then you can also make with affiliate marketing. If you go to this Facebook group here, let's go to visit group, go here, then like I've joined in this group. Then put discussion and put in your opinion. Maybe I have an offer. I don't want to type too long. I have an offer that can save you 12 years of your life. This that you can make maybe $700 giveaway, for example. You go on TapNub or CPA Grip or maxbounty.com. You go there, they explain to you or you see, then you say if you need my help, not if you need my help, if you just need free $700, just follow my steps in what I'm posting, just follow the steps. Then though we have the $700, simple as that. Then you get paid $4, even five sometimes. This is an example. Then with affiliate marketing, you can still do the same strategy. You can promote somebody course. If you want to be rich, this, that, leave your link. I know it's not that hard. You don't know how to join. Let me show you an example. Alright. Australia. How to make money. You see here, 204,000 members, 10 posts a day. This is very active. Click on join. Then you write something. Can you make it an anonymous post? You can write something. Hi member. Hello members. I have a special offer. Limited spots. I have limited spots. Just 10 people only. It's a free giveaway. This, that. That. Yes. Maybe under 48 hours you need to You need to like, you understand? You need to like make them feel special, you understand? Just make them, just give them free value, and then give them value, and promote what you have to promote, and make the bag, bro. So as simple as that, bro. I'm just giving you free cheat code. Yeah, you need to just write thank you TMM in the comment now as I'm talking. I'm waiting. You done? Okay. So as I was saying, that's that's how you can make $100, $50, $100. Go to different groups, not only one group, different groups, like 100 groups for you to work, for you to see many fast results. So, bro, say get a loan. Can you say, do you need a loan? Get a loan of this, that, without leaving your home, no scam. So, you see, yeah, bro, use your brain. Go to link in my description if you need my help, if you want to change your life this 2024. Just go to link. You know, have this opportunity next year, because I don't like exposing this business model. As for me, I'm out.